हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू गुदवरिया अकेडमी। दोस्तों, आज के इस सेशन में आपके थर्ड यूनिट में फर्स्ट पोयम नाइट ऑफ द स्कॉर्पियन इसका वर्कशॉप देखने वाले। तो फिर चलिए वर्कशॉप की ओर बढ़ते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आफ्टर रीडिंग द पोयम कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग, व्हाट हैपेंस? देयर आर थ्री मेन पार्ट्स ऑफ द पोयम। डू यू नो व्हाट दे आर अबाउट? द फर्स्ट वन इज डन फॉर यू। तो आपको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये पोयम रीड करने के बाद यहाँ पे जो टेबल दिया है वो कंप्लीट किया करना है। तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है, पोयम के थ्री मेन पार्ट्स है एंड आपको उसके बारे में क्या समझ में आया है वो यहाँ पे लिखना है। फर्स्ट पार्ट इज डन फॉर अस एंड वी हैव टू डू द सेकंड एंड थर्ड पार्ट। ओके, so we will do it. First is lines from 1 to 7 and what is happening. From line 1 to 7, what is happening? The scorpion comes into the home to escape the rain and stings the poet's mother. From lines from 8 to 33, what happens? The neighbors comes to help with candles and lanterns and tries to find the scorpion, but they increase others' pen with their short knowledge. They tell illogical things to her. And then last one, that is lines from 34 to 38, what happens? The mother suffers the pain and the father tries all that he can as a remedy. He not only does logical but also some illogical things. The pain stops after 20 hours. In the end, the mother thanks to the God for sparing her children and choosing her. Here we complete the first question. Now move towards the question number second. Complete the following tables. अभी यहाँ पे हमें three tables दिए हैं. Different kinds of tables are given here, and we have to complete them. First table is about background setting of the poem. Type evidence code lines from the poem. यहाँ पे हमें रूरल और अर्बन इनमें से जो इंडिकेट करता है उसके बारे में लिखना है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रूरल के बारे में जो इंडिकेट करता है पोयम में वो लाइन्स और एविडेंसेस अब हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. लाइन्स दैट इंडिकेट द पोयम इज रिटन इन द रूरल एरिया. Lines are 8, 11, 13, 29, 30, 32, 35, 38, 39 and 42. Now we will see about the poems. Poems like 8. The peasants came like swarms of flies. 11. With candles and with lanterns. 13. On the mud-backed walls. 29. They said, and they sat around. 30. On the floor with my mother in the center. 32. More candles, more lanterns, more neighbors. 33. More insects and the endless rain. 35. Growing on a mat. 38. Powder mixture herb and hybrid. This way we completed the first table. I hope आपको ये समझ में आया होगा. Now next one, that is be scorpion. तो scorpion के बारे में हम क्या-क्या जानते हैं. Many images of the scorpion contrast in the opening lines of the poem. Find examples of each and add them to the columns below. तो स्कॉर्पियन के बारे में बहुत सारी लाइंस इस पोएम में आई है, वो आपको ढूंढनी है एंड यहाँ पे उनके बारे में जो कॉन्ट्रास्ट है वहाँ पे नोट डाउन करना है. Timid, first hides beneath a sack of rice, second return back in the rain. Dangerous, diabolic tale and evil one. Here we completed the B table too. Now move towards the last table, that is imagery. तो ये जो पोएम है ओवरऑल इमेजरी है, इसके बारे में ये टेबल है थर्ड, दैट इज C. As you can see on the screen, imagery नाम से है. Look at the description of the village peasants. What does the imagery suggest about them? तो आपको विलेज का जो पीसेंट है उसके बारे में पोएम में डिस्क्रिप्शन आया है. उसके बारे में आप क्या-क्या इमेजिन कर रहे हो? The images and the images, what images that suggest? First, they came like swarms of flies. They came in large number to help. Second, they buzzed the name of God. They chanted the God's name. Third, they threw giant scorpion shadows on the mud bed. The peasant shadow were fallen in huge figures on the mud-backed walls. Last one, they click their tongues. They show their disapproval for not finding the scorpion. Here we completed the second question in which we have completed the three tables. I hope आपको ये समझ में आए होंगे. Now we will be move towards the question number third. Choose the correct alternatives. तो हमें यहाँ पे करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव चूज करने हैं. हमें यहाँ पे कुछ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स दी है एंड कुछ ऑप्शंस दी गए हैं, तो उनमें से करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव हमें चूज करना है. First, the child is afraid but admires the bravery of his mother. Next one, His father and the villagers panic and hastily suggest religious remedies to help. Third, the poet seems to see the villagers as impractical and almost irritating, which suggests that the poet is critical of tradition. Fourth one, this is a dash poem as it tells a story that is narrative. Fifth, using the first person gives the feeling that it is told from personal experience. Sixth one, the scorpion picked me on me and spared my children depicts. And the answer is option C, selfless and unconditional love of mother. Seventh one, the poem does not have a rhyme scheme, which means the poem is a perfect example of free verse. 8. The poem is titled Knight of the Scorpion for the major part of the poem. Option B, the scorpion is a victor. Next 9, the peasants chant the name of God to dash dash, and the correct alternative is A, nullify the stinging experience. Next 10th one, the click of tongues reflects there to the predicaments, and the answer is collective response. Here we complete the third question. Now move towards the question number 4. From the poem provide evidences for the following. तो यहाँ पे पोयम की कुछ स्टेजेस दी है एंड उनके बारे में एविडेंसेस लाइंस फ्रॉम द पोयम हमें यहाँ पे लिखना है. ओके, फर्स्ट स्टेज, द अटेम्प्ट्स बाय द पीसेंट्स टू हेल्प एलिएटिव द मदर्स पेट. एविडेंस में आती है लाइंस 8, 9, 10, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 29 and 30. And the lines are given here. Parting with his poison flash of diabolic tail in the dark room, he risked the grain again. With every moment that the scorpion made his poison mood in mother's blood, they said, may he sit still. They said, may the sins of your previous birth he burned away tonight. They said, may your suffering decrease the misfortunes of your next birth. They said, may the sum of all evil balance in this unreal world against the sum of good become diminished by your pain. May the poison purify your flesh of desire and your spirit of ambition. They said, and they sat round on the floor with my mother in the center. And here we complete this stage. Now next be the action of these same peasants to kill the scorpion. Lines 11, 12, 13 and 14. And lines are with candles and with lanterns throwing giant scorpion shadow on the mud-baked walls. They searched for him. He was not found. Next third stage, the reaction of the rational father. Lines which indicates that 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42 and 43. And the lines are, my father, skeptic, rationalistic, trying every curse and blessing powder, mixture, herb and hybrid. He even poured a little paraffin upon the beaten dough and put a match to it. I watched the flame feeding on my mother. I watched the holy man perform his rites to tame the poison with an incantation. Next stage D, the various superstitions versus the scientific one. Lines 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42 and 43. The lines are trying every curse and blessings, powder mixture herb and hybrid. He even poured a little paraffin upon the beaten dough and put a match to it. I watched the flame feeding on my mother. I watched the holy man perform his rites to tame the poison with an incantation. And the last is evil versus good. The lines are 9, 10, 22, 24, 25, 26 and 37. And the lines are the birds, the name of God 100 times to paralyze the evil one. May the sum of all evil balanced in this unreal world against the sum of good become diminished by your pen. Here we completed the fourth question. Now move towards the question number 5. Read the poem and complete the table showing qualities of father and mother giving sufficient evidences from the poem. Here we have to write the qualities of your father and mother from the qualities of the poet's father and mother from the poem. Qualities father and mother. First of all, we will say about father. Skeptic, rationalistic, caring and desperate. The lines indicate that My father's skeptic, rationalistic, trying every curse and blessing powder, mixture, herb, and hybrid. Even he poured a little paraffin upon the beaten dough and put a match to it. I watched the flame feeding on my mother. I watched the holy man perform his rites to tame the poison with a incantation. Qualities of mother: patience, strong, long suffering, loving, careful. I remember the night my mother was stung by the scorpion. 10 hours. My mother twisted through and through, growing on a mat. My mother only said, "Thank God the scorpion picked on me and spared my children." Here we complete the fifth question. Now move towards the question number 6. Match the figure of speech with the correct definition. हमें यहाँ पे फिगर ऑफ स्पीच दिए हुए हैं एंड उनको हमें उनके जो प्रॉपर डेफिनेशन है उनसे मैचअप करना है. तो यहाँ पे हमने डायरेक्टली उसे मैचअप किया है. ये नोट डाउन कीजिए. Poetic devices, figure and definition, metaphor and implied comparison, alliteration, the use of same sound at the beginning of the words, onomatopoeia, a word which resembles the sound it represents, and lastly, simile, a comparison between two different things, especially a phrase containing the words like or as. Here we completed it. Now move towards the big question. Find examples from the poem that contain. तो पोयम में से हमें कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स ढूंढ निकालने हैं. फिगर ऑफ स्पीच के एग्जाम्पल्स हो. फर्स्ट इज सिमिली. एग्जाम्पल: द peasants came like swarms of flies. Second, metaphor: and they buzzed the name of God to paralyze the evil one. Third, onomatopoeia: they clicked their tongues. Here we complete the sixth question. Now move towards the question number 7. Expand the flow chart in writing a paragraph in your own words. एक फ्लो चार्ट दिया है, यू कैन सी ऑन द स्क्रीन. तो इसे क्या करना है, आपको एक्सपांड करना है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द पोएम. द फ्लो चार्ट इज: मदर अगोनी fights the venom of scorpion, unable to utter but groans, thanks God and survives. The mother, इसके बारे में अब हम पैराग्राफ लिखेंगे. The poem Night of the Scorpion is about one fateful night in which the mother of the poet was tragically stung by a scorpion. She cried in pain for the whole night. Different people held different opinions for the incident. Some said that it was a curse of the mother for the wrongs which she did in her last life. It was not only the pain from the sting, but the pain caused when all varieties of treatments are tested on her, including burning the stung toe with paraffin. She endured all the pain patiently, not knowing whether whether she would survive the sting. Her dignified response right at the end of the poem is both humbling and inspirational. After the pain was over, the other day, the mother thanked God for choosing her to undergo the pain and sparing her children. She did not blame him for letting the scorpion bite her. The mother in the poem is a portrayal of real mothers who choose themselves to endure pain before their children. Here we complete the seventh question. Now move towards the question number 8. The poet has used various kinds of imagery to create an image which appeals to our sense. Pick out various kinds of imagery and complete the table. तो इस पोयम में बहुत सारे इमेजरी यूज किए गए हैं to what appeal our sense, and we have to find out these lines and put in that table. First is visual imaginary, appealing to eyes. First, scorpion crawling beneath a sack of rice. Second, I watched the flames feeding on my mother. Second, tactile imaginary, which is of sense, parting with his poison. Third, father pouring paraffin on the toe. Sound imaginary was the name of God. They clicked their tongues. Internal sensation, feelings and emotion, fear and pain. Here we completed the 8th question. Now move towards the question number 9, which is very important from the all above workshop. Write an appropriate appreciation of the poem in a paragraph format. तो आपको क्या करना है? Appreciation लिखना है इस poem का, but there is a twist, and the twist is that you have to write the appreciation in the paragraph format. You can refer the page number 5. तो आपके इस स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से आपको जो कुछ भी एप्रिसिएशन है वो पैराग्राफ के फॉर्मेट में ही लिखने पड़ते हैं, एंड इसके लिए आपको 5 मार्क्स मिलेंगे. नाउ वी विल राइट द एप्रिसिएशन. नाइट ऑफ द स्कॉर्पियन. The poem Night of the Scorpion is written by Nissim Ezekiel. He published this poem in his fifth book, The Exact Name, in 1965. The poem is an example of free verse containing 8 stanzas and 47 lines. The poet has used many figures of speech such as alliteration, simile, hyperbole, personification, onomatopoeia, but he has used metaphor in the line was the name of God 100 times to paralyze the evil one. In this line, the evil one is compared with the scorpion. The poem starts in a house at night where it is raining and a scorpion, in order to take some shelter, comes to the house. This poem is about how the scorpion stung the poet's mother, how his mother struggled against the poison, how the villagers, without thinking the mother's condition, shows their less knowledge, and how his father tries to reduce his mother's pain by doing some illogical and rational things. But everything seems worthless against the poison. At last, it shows the mother's love for her children when she thanks to God for sparing them. Here we complete the 9th question. Now move towards the question 10, project. यह क्वेश्चन आपको खुद को सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, which is as a project for you. Prepare a presentation on a paper or on a PC as a piece of reference to other student. Make a use of following points. तो आपको क्या करना है, एक प्रेजेंटेशन बनाना है. आप पेपर पे भी बना सकते हो और इसके अलावा आप पर्सनल कंप्यूटर पे भी बना सकते हो. तो आपको नीचे दिए गए जो कोई पॉइंट्स है उसे यूज करना है. तो प्रिपेयर अ प्रेजेंटेशन. फर्स्ट टाइटल पेज रहेगा, सेकंड इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द पोएट रहेगा, थर्ड द कंप्लीट पोएम ऑफ ऑल 48 लाइंस के बाद फोर्थ स्लाइड होगी लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, 5 स्टाइल ऑफ राइटिंग, 6 स्कॉर्पियन लाइंस 1 to 7, 7th the peasant, 8th the poet's father, 10th poet's mother, 11th slide will be of vocabulary and the last one credits or positive aspects. उसके बाद आप यहाँ पे ऐड कर सकते हैं नरेटिव पोएम, फर्स्ट पर्सन पोएट्स रोल, lines of irregular length, absence of rhythm and meter embezzlement, thus freestyle all colloquial, repeated use of indirect speech, repeated imaginary use of similes, metaphors, alliteration, repetition, onomatopoeia. In this way we have completed the overall workshop. I hope आपको ये समझ में आया होगा. I know थोड़ा सा बड़ा वर्कशॉप था, लेकिन इनमें से जो क्वेश्चंस थे वो सभी क्वेश्चंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट थे. अगर आपको इस ओवरऑल वर्कशॉप में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, परेशानी हो, डाउट हो तो कमेंट कीजिए. तो इसी तरह से इस पोएम से रिलेटेड जो अदर वीडियोस है वो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. बाजू में दिख रहे बेल आइकॉन पे प्रेस कीजिए, वहां पे ऑल कीजिए ताकि आपको वीडियो के बारे में सभी नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे. तो इसी तरह से सभी क्लास के सभी सब्जेक्ट के वीडियोस एक ही जगह पे देखने के लिए प्ले स्टोर पे जाइए, गुरवरिया एकेडमी सर्च कीजिए और हमारा यह एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल कीजिए. यह एप्लीकेशन आपके लिए बिल्कुल फ्री है. एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करते समय अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, परेशानी हो, तो हमारा जो ऑफिशियल नंबर है उस पर मैसेज कीजिए ताकि हमारी टीम आपको एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करने में मदद कर सके. अगर आपको कोई भी एजुकेशनल हेल्प चाहिए हो तो हमारा जो ऑफिशियल नंबर है उस पर मैसेज कीजिए ताकि हमारी टीम आपको मदद कर सके. इस एप्लीकेशन की लिंक आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेंगे, वहां पे भी जाके आप यह एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल कर सकते हो. हमारे कुछ सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट्स हैं, उनके भी लिंक्स आपको इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेंगे, वहां पे भी आप ज्वाइन हो सकते हो. इस एप्लीकेशन में हमने चैट सेक्शन दिया है जिसके भीतर आप आपके सभी डाउट्स आपके जो अदर क्लासमेट्स हैं के साथ मिलकर ग्रुप डिस्कशन करके सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. वहाँ पे हमारे टीचर्स भी हैं, उनके साथ में डिस्कस करके आप आपके सभी डाउट्स क्लियर कर सकते हैं. तो दोस्तों आज के इस सेशन में हम यहीं पे रुकेंगे, जल्द ही मिलेंगे अगले सेशन में नए वीडियो के साथ, नए सेशन के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय दोस्तों, टेक केयर.